Hey there, today we're diving into a heated debate from the Philippines. On one side we have Albay Representative Edcel Lagman, and on the other, the family-based ministry, Couples for Christ, or CFC. Lagman has called out CFC for what he describes as religious hypocrisy on the issue of divorce. He argues that the Philippines should enact a divorce law, citing human weaknesses like marital abuse, infidelity, and abandonment as reasons marriages can be beyond repair. Lagman highlighted something Pope Francis wrote in Amoris Laetitia, which translates to the joy of love. In it, the Pope said, "The Eucharist is not a prize for the perfect, but a powerful medicine and nourishment for the weak." Lagman believes this means the sanctity of marriage shouldn't trap spouses in harmful situations. He also stresses that absolute divorce can rescue embattled spouses and their suffering children from what he calls a house on fire. On the flip side, Couples for Christ stands firmly against the divorce bill. Dr. Jose Yamamoto, the president and chair of CFC, spoke at a press conference in Manila, marking the group's 43rd anniversary. He stated that the organization prays the divorce law won't pass, but if it does, they are prepared to lead a people's initiative to repeal it. Yamamoto expressed hope that like-minded groups will join their cause to overturn the law if it becomes necessary. So what do you think? Should the Philippines enact a divorce law to protect those in broken marriages? Or should the sanctity of marriage be preserved no matter what? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this ongoing debate. Thanks for watching.